Hello and welcome to day 82 of the 100 Days Challenge. Today I continued from where I left yesterday, and you can see that I worked during the morning because I now have to do a couple of things and I will not be home later. But I wanted to improve on how the game looked because now we have the new menu UI, but then the game was not feeling as good as I expected. So in order to do so, I just did two things. One of them is create this assets directory where I created the wall PNG and floor PNG. So basically those are textures that can later be used in different parts. Like for example, if we go to the wall and I go into the 3D view, you can see that it looks with these bricks in here. Basically I had to change in the albedo part the texture. I just click the image, it's just a PNG. And then I learned that if in the bottom you go into the UV1, then you can change the scale. So if you reduce the scale, it gets bigger. If you put it as it was, it gets smaller. So the same I did for the floor. Then if we go to the, let me save, if we go to the floor, we can see now that there's this new texture. And also within this, I changed how the layers looked and I called it floor. It's important because I made that in the game and the level itself, I have this floor that it's now a new exported variable. And from within the maze builder, I get the floor and I change its size to make it look exactly as the maze itself. So it does not look like just some floor outside. It's just a flying maze itself. Also, I cleaned a few things, so the menu, the all menu plus the all menu button, etc. I just removed them, and it has been useful to reduce the size of the bundle. So now it went down like 2 or 3 megabytes when I removed the assets and the different components. So yeah. With that, if I now play here, you can see that this is how it looks. You can see that I played more levels to test everything working, and here is how it looks. From above, there's no floor, and then when we are inside, we can see that it changes a bit how the player feels. And yeah, in mobile it also changes how it actually looks. So yeah, that's mostly what I did. What I still have missing is those menus that will need to be adapted with the new UIs, but this is what I would expect to do tomorrow. And yeah, that's all for today. Today is one of those days that it's been more of a looking for options, because I've been in the itch.io website just like this. I'm putting it in here, looking for Godot engine textures, and then I've been trying several things and checking which ones worked better, which ones don't. And yeah, with this I leave it here for today, and let's see what brings tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with more.